Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best green pearls available on the market. We'll be exploring the features, benefits, and everything you need to know about these cyan green flat back pearls and rhinestones from MYYKO. Let's jump right in. These pearls and rhinestones are a crafter's dream. Coming in a convenient 60 grams pack that includes a mix of sizes ranging from 3mm to 10mm. Perfect for various crafting projects, these are not just your ordinary decorations. What sets these apart is their versatility. Made from resin and glass, they boast a smooth, shiny surface that enhances any DIY project. Whether you're decorating tumblers, bottles, or even jazzing up your phone case, these pearls and rhinestones deliver that extra sparkle. Included in the package are essential tools like rhinestone glue, a wax pencil, and even a pencil sharpener, all designed to make your crafting experience smoother. The flat back ensures easy placement, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out. Let me show you some creative uses. From personalized gifts for birthdays to adding flair to your accessories, these pearls and rhinestones are incredibly versatile. They're also fantastic for nail art and embellishing clothing, truly adding a touch of elegance wherever they're applied. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional crafter, these cyan green pearls and rhinestones from MYYKO are a must-have in your toolkit. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start elevating your crafting projects with a touch of brilliance. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and crafting tips. Until next time, keep creating and exploring new possibilities with your crafts. See you soon.